Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Hy Vee app is and how it's positioned. The Hy Vee app is an official mobile supermarket tool from Hy Vee, Inc. that lets users order groceries, explore deals and recipes, manage Fuel Saver rewards, and handle pharmacy refills all from their device. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With the Hy Vee app, you can shop for groceries online and schedule pickup or delivery without needing to visit a store in person, browsing by category or searching for what you need. The app includes a Discover section with recipe inspiration and expert tips to help plan meals and find products, making inspiration part of the shopping experience. Hy Vee perks and Fuel Saver rewards can be tracked directly in the app, including keeping track of earned rewards and expiration dates without carrying a physical card. Users can see sale items and discounts, add them to their cart easily, and browse shoppable premium products as documented in official grocery store descriptions. The app also offers easy pharmacy management, including refilling prescriptions and checking refill status for family members. This app may be useful for users who want to streamline grocery shopping, find deals, handle prescriptions, and manage rewards from one place. For users interested in convenient mobile access to store products, meal ideas, coupons, and health tasks, this could be an option. Some user feedback may indicate that certain features like inventory accuracy or app responsiveness can vary, but those experiences are based on individual reviews and not official app documentation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.